XCSE Beats.
What's good, YouTube? We're back. It's been a minute, been a long minute.
Yeah, there's been a lot of stuff going on. A couple announcements.
Yeah.
We just moved into a new house.
Yes, as you can see.
And we got a baby on the way.
Yeah, so those are the two biggest announcements.
That's why we've been slacking a little bit.
Yeah, we're really trying to set up everything, get everything ready for the baby. Having a two-seater car probably isn't the move, but it's okay because
we have a Dodge Hornet on the way.
Exactly, and if you want to watch that video, it'll be up in this corner up there. You can go click that. But we're just gonna start on the Charger first, talk about everything, because it's been a few months, so we'll talk about everything.
First, if y'all remember when his mom wrecked our Charger, it was all messed up. I had hit a car too, so we got a whole new bumper. Looks all nice and new. And then,
and then this was black as well. Now it's all this flat gray. It's okay though, I guess. It's all right. Moving on, we also got a new set of tires because the other ones that were originally on there that we had, or not originally, but the ones that we had, they weren't even supposed to be on the Charger. So now we're rocking 10 inches in the back, 9 inches in the front, giving it that staggered look, staggered feel.
Looks nice,
I love it, honestly. You can feel it too. Sometimes in the car, it's just like, it's a little more jumpy than when it used to be, especially stock.
And you can tell the tires are actually made for this car, so that's nice.
Fire. Get that rock out. All right, sorry, but then we're gonna go and move on to the Challenger, and the main reason that you clicked this video today is because we're gonna be installing a pretty cool mod, if you ask me.
Yes.
Just follow us.
So first, you wanna take a look on the inside? This is what it looks like before.
Get you a good before look.
Because we are ripping out those seats and putting new ones in. And here are the new seats.
We go, Braum racing seats. So her grandma went crazy during Christmas. Pretty much gifted us these for the most part, honestly. So shout out to her grandma, the one in the video, you remember?
Oh yeah.
She was going crazy in the Challenger. We have to get her opinion on these.
But these are lightweight seats.
Yes.
So we're losing like how many pounds?
With the brackets, I want to say probably like, it was 80 without the brackets. So with the brackets, maybe like 70, 60. I'm not exactly sure how much they are, but still some weight improvement, it's making it lighter at the end of the day, which is what it's for. It's a drag car.
And it looks nice.
Looks fire. I know we got the diamond stitching with the black right here. And we're not gonna do the seat belts yet. We may eventually get the racing harness that goes in, but we'll see. I don't know, because I don't want to do too much to make it like a race car. So.
But it is a race car, so.
Yeah, I guess so. That's true. So we'll go ahead and start out today by installing the sliders onto the bottom of the seat, I think, first, and then it goes onto the bracket, and then we take out those, swap them. And I think that's pretty much be it.
So yeah, follow along and watch us change the seats.
All right, so the first step was pretty easy. Just install the sliders on there. You see we got the bolts that were already installed on here. We just unscrewed it. Put this on, put the washer between them, so your seat's fine. Next step is gonna be installing the actual, the bar right here. That's pretty simple as well if you wanna follow me. Right over here. So there's a couple of these things right there, a couple holes, you just put them in the hole. So you got a couple holes right here, the mounts. Push it in. Oh, you want that? Okay, you got that right, I think. Make sure it's covering upward, yeah. Cool.
this one?
I got it, yeah. Hold that for me.
Okay, hold this one.
Purchase your tracks today.
That's nice.
Do that and use your weight and slide it.
All right, so we're just taking out the old seats. Had to get a special E12 tool. Some bullshit. All right, it's now nighttime.
Yeah, just like that.
And we got the seatbelt stuff out.
Yeah, so we're looking at the seatbelt. This is the actual seatbelt. We took the seat out. We have the wiring harness for that.
Yep. Now
we're just gonna plug it in pretty much, and then throw in the seats. That's pretty much it. We'll show you what it's looking like.
Yep.
Purchase your tracks today.
All right, so it's been a couple of days, and I mean, what you're looking at right now is the right one is a little, like an inch higher than the left one, and that's just because it was too low to the ground for us. So we got like a little inch rubber spacer that we just put between the bracket and the seat, and it helps. It helps, as you can see.
Yeah, it raises it. You know, that inch that we needed. We felt a little short in there, but let me show you the spacers. All right, so this is what we're doing. The original bolt is in there right now. But it was too low, so we're gonna put a longer bolt with the spacer on it underneath the bracket, so it'll raise it like an inch. I think we just needed an inch. It feels much better with the inch in there.
So this is the original seatbelt. This one's the passenger, so it's a lot less wires. But I'm just gonna repeat the process of using the bracket right here, because since this is welded on, you know, I can't break it, but I also don't want this to be not secure, you know. So I'm just gonna throw that on there. How do we want to sit like that? I guess yeah, like that.
Alright, so we tightened it, and then we're gonna throw it back in there, plug this in, and yeah, should be good.
So this is what it's looking like once you're in. I mean, it's nice. I got space. I don't know what else to say. It feels light too, honestly. It doesn't mean it's not good, but it feels like a bucket seat, you know? Like I'm in here.
Heck yeah.
I like it though. It's a great improvement. They also sell seatbelt things to where you could just kind of keep this like right here.
We might get those eventually, but
yeah, because I imagine it's kind of tough reaching all the way back here.
Yeah.
But for now, it'll have to do.
Yes, and this is what the spacers are looking like. Nice and nice. Woo! Finally, it's done.
A little bit of wires right there, but you know what?
Yeah, we're not electricians.
It's custom.
Yeah.